What is up, my guys? We are fishing behind my buddy's house for some bass. I got the fly rod with me. There aren't too many big fish in here, but if you weed out through small ones, sometimes you can make it happen. So stay tuned and then see what we can get. I normally catch a lot of fish here. I think I've caught like 60 fish. I think that's, or 65 is my record for this place. Sometimes you can get into some bigger fish, but you know, you gotta weed out the small ones first. Just using a weedless popper and just seeing what we can do. I'm thinking we're gonna move. Caught a few fish here before I started the video, so we're gonna give this place a break and move to a different spot. See if we can't get ourselves hooked up. Got him. Got him. Let's go. Nothing big, but fun on a 5-weight for sure. Be free. Got him. Alrighty. Let's bring Buddy in here. Another little guy. Nothing crazy. Be free, bud. All right, now we're in the water like a true fly fisherman. Oh, immediately. Oh. Didn't get hooked up. He'll come, see if he comes back for it. Oh, we got him. Oh my gosh. Keeps spitting it. Oh, I just got gulped. That's a slightly fatter one, I'd say. Definitely going a little bit more crazy. Come here. Hayden's hooked up. Oh, he just came off. It's in there good. All right, bud. Be free. Nope, nothing. We are gonna move. No fishing video is complete without some Sunny D. Oh yeah, Michael knows what I'm talking about. We'll see you guys later after I finish this.
Come on, there we go. Got him. That was such a sight.
Attaboy, Michael.
Oh, come here. Chill. Okay, he's gone. Well, I got him. I don't know if that counts, but...
Counts in my mind. Hey, you landed the fish.
Yeah.
He just released himself.
Yeah, exactly.
It's easier for you. See if we can get anything out there. Whoa. Hey, but not a bad cast. Oh, got him.
Yeah?
All I need to do is slip on the rocks to catch some fish.
How was it, Aiden?
Is that behind me? Another little guy. Nothing crazy. Be free, bud. We got him. This guy's a little bit longer and slender, but he's skinny as heck. Holy crap. Come here, bud. Right in the bottom lip. Perfect. There he is. He's really skinny. I don't see a lot of bait fish in here too, so it's probably why. See if we can pull something else out. Maybe of a little bit higher quality. All right, took a little break. Now we're back out here. See if we can't hook up to some fish. Maybe a bigger one too.
Oh, I had one, bro.
Not the straightest cast ever, but you know, it's out there. Doesn't matter too much in this situation. Well, we got him. You know, that's a chunky little guy. That's definitely a chunk. Little chunky boy. Come here, bud. Come on, bud. It's another one. We're definitely catching him up today. He's just not getting a ton of big bites. Hopefully that'll change while we're here. Be free. Alright. At least we're catching fish though. Could be a lot worse. Let's see if we can pull anything out next to this boat. That's close enough, I guess. Better than right on the boat. We got him. Got a little acrobat. There he is. See you later, bud. All right, let's get another one. Yeah.
Did that coffee in the video?
Yep. Oh my God. That's what the cough means. Oh my gosh, as soon as it hit.
No way.
That's insane. Did you see that?
Yeah, right when you hit it.
As soon as it hit the water, he just slurps it. Okie dokie, someone's a little hungry. Ah, and hangry, I guess. Another bass. See you later, sucker. Cool. That was a good feeling. Well, we're getting it done, Aiden. We're not catching nearly as many as we did last time I was here, but we're still catching fish. Waiting for the big one, too. Oh my gosh, dude. He choked that thing. He's not even that big. All right, bud. Whoa. Calm yourself. Calm yourself, bro. He was barely hooked. That was just wedged in his mouth. Alrighty. As the bite's turned on a little bit better. Now that it's darker. Another one. You're fishing where I am? This is my spot. Get lost, Aiden. This is my spot. I've claimed it. Oh my gosh. Keep slipping and tripping on the stuff I'm standing on. Another one, dude. Another one.
Yeah, but I'm still in the spot.
I don't want you to steal my spot, bro. Well, fine. We'll trade. We'll trade spots.
You probably still catch fish.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go over to your spot and just slam.
Yeah,
That's exactly what I plan on doing. Well, I mean, I guess it's let the spot heal because we just did so much damage to it. All right, enjoy. Got him. He's not really fighting too much. I don't even think he realized he was hooked until just now. Another little guy. Oh, Aiden's also hooked up. All right, he's free. Be gone. Oh, we got one. I didn't even know. Feisty little dude. For sure. See you later, bud. Alright, I think that's going to do it for today's video. We caught quite a bit of fish today, though nothing really top quality as far as largemouth go. But, you know, they were all fun on the fly rod for sure. Hope you guys liked it, and stay tuned for more fishing. Peace out.